When the world doesn't spin your way, flip it around and make it happen. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar, and that's my success principle for today. When the things don't go right, you need to go left. You need to take your own way. You need to push it toward the highest desire that you have, and you should not consider the circumstances to affect on you, because when you will be adapting to the other people, when you will be adapting to the control that they have over you, that's when you will lose yourself. And you don't want you lose yourself, because the only way that you live for is you and your soul. You need to consider being always in your bubble. You need to be the effective person that is always able to push towards your highest goals, highest desires. And when you will start losing your way, you need to flip the world around and reconsider, readjust the effectiveness that you have, that you are possessing to go and reach for your dreams. And when you can't go forward, you need to find your way, and don't search it in other people. You need to be your own strong personality, because only through your heart there can be expressed your beautiful intuitional knowledge. The life you live today will be blessed only if you follow your heart. So do this for today, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.